Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some haircuts, hair transformations, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of a new way to shake up your boring strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this pixie makeover that we start the video with. This one has a nice line parting design going on the side. Very chic and sweet modern pixie style. She looks absolutely amazing. And then we move into our next transformation. Wow, she went with this copper shaggy curly cut. This is absolutely breathtaking. I love the texture that the stylist created within the cut. Absolutely beautiful. And then we move on to someone who has purple hair. I've actually noticed that purple has been trending heavily. I've seen quite a few styles featuring purple, so it kind of makes me wonder if this is going to be a very hot hair trend as we continue on within the year. Let me know what you guys think of that in the comments below. But it looks like this person might be getting an asymmetrical pixie or a pixie undercut and leaving the purple in the bottom portion, doing a bit of like the undercolor trend. So the stylist actually ended up doing like a pixie bob for the cutting. And I'm loving this pop of purple in the nape. So pretty. Next up, we have someone who has long curly hair. And we already see that she's going to be getting a pixie style. Oh, wow. I love the texture that her natural curls created within this pixie. Such an easy, effortless, chic pixie style. I love it. And then we see someone else with curly hair. And she got her hair straightened and cut into a bob. Beautiful curtain style bangs added in the front. Gorgeous. Cool curly haircut ideas for your next cut. Short and medium length. And we're seeing so many different variations for curly hair and the haircuts that are now being showcased. And then we move into this rather unique style. I think you would call this like a modern runway look. I'm not sure what you would call this style. It's definitely a very fashion forward style, that's for sure. It's like a bob in the front and mid-length hair in the back. Something that you would definitely see on the runway. And then we have a bit of someone rocking like a shaggy mullet style. The stylist cuts the hair. Now, I did like her hair to begin with. I really liked that shaggy kind of curly cut that she has going on, but we'll see what the stylist does. Kind of like a pixie mullet style. And then she ended up getting like the baby bangs in the front. Very nice. Now the stylist just classifies this as a plain pixie, but to me it did kind of look like a pixie mullet. It did have longer hair in the back, but that's just my personal opinion. So then here we move on to another transformation by Westa's hair. Client has this bold red hair color. He is creating what he likes to call a lived-in haircut. Oh, wow, beautiful. I think the color is what really makes the cut work. Just stunning. Stunning hair shade. And then we move on to our last transformation of the day. Looks like the stylist is going quite short for this one. Like a nice pixie bob variation, very short in the back, longer in the front. Beautifully done. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were featured in today's video and you were able to get some major inspiration. If you were, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.